Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse at home without whipping cream. You can create a wonderfully light and flavorful dessert using common kitchen staples. We'll focus on techniques that build volume and richness without needing dairy cream. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy, elegant treat. To begin, you'll need fresh egg whites, which are crucial for creating that signature airy lift. For your flavor base, consider rich melted chocolate, a vibrant fruit puree, or even strong brewed coffee. A small amount of gelatin or a plant-based alternative like agar-agar will help your mousse set beautifully, giving it a smooth, stable consistency. The key to a light mousse is whipping your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This traps air, creating volume. Next, carefully fold your prepared flavor base into the whipped whites, being gentle to preserve as much air as possible. Finally, transfer your mousse to serving dishes and chill it for a minimum of 2 hours to allow it to fully set. Now for the fun part, customization. Try a rich dark chocolate mousse, a refreshing lemon, or a vibrant raspberry. For an adult twist, a splash of coffee liqueur or orange brandy works wonderfully. Before serving, consider garnishing with fresh berries, a dusting of cocoa powder, or delicate chocolate shavings for an elegant finish. Enjoy your homemade cream-free mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.